Hello students, today we will see the next chapter, that is banking, meaning of banking and the functions of central bank. So a bank is basically an institution which takes deposit from the public and also lends money to the needy persons. So that is the general definition of bank, but now the functions of banks vary a lot and new functions have been added. So we will see that under commercial bank. In India, the Reserve Bank of India is our central bank. So every country has a central bank which keeps control on currency issue and uh, different types of monetary policies. So let's see the functions one by one. So first function of central bank is to issue notes. That means currency notes. So all the notes are generally issued by the central bank or central banks keeps track on it. Second function is its government's bank. So role of bank for the government. Third thing is it is controller of credit. It controls credit in the market by different monetary and fiscal policies, different CRR, and these kind of ratios help it in maintaining the credit control. Fourth thing is custodian of foreign exchange. All the foreign exchange of any foreign country is kept with the central bank of any country. In case of India, it is kept by Reserve Bank of India. And fifth function is it maintains the exchange rate. That means how the foreign currency will be exchanged by the Indian currency. Again, it's banker. So all the banks they need any banking service. The function is it's lender of the last resort. When all the uh, lenders in the market fail in lending money to the banks, then as last resort, central bank plays that role. Again, the clearinghouse function, different types of transactions are cleared through it, and it also plays vital role in development of country or development of an economy. So these are the basic roles. I am sending this PDF. Read this file. We'll cover the next topic in the next class. Thank you.